Welcome to Natural Beauty Kitchen. On this channel I teach you how to make simple DIY videos for hair and the body. In today's video we are going to make our homemade hair spray for dry hair and for natural hair growth. Keep in mind, if your hair is processed, this is going to work for you as well. So stay tuned with me. What we're going to use today is just simple ingredients, 5 ingredients that are very powerful for the hair. So basically on this channel I don't use teaspoon, tablespoon and so on. We do our own DIY professionally. So those of you that want to know my profile, go to my About Me page and learn more. Before we proceed today, I want you to click that subscribe button and the notification icon to be notified of my DIY videos. I release different DIY videos every time of the week. So now let's get started. If your hair is dry or brittle, you need more moisture, we're in winter time right now, this DIY homemade hair spray is going to work well for you. We're going to use distilled water. Okay, that's one of the ingredients we use. Then we're going to use chamomile hydrosol, very good and highly soothing for the hair. So you have to keep in mind that this is not your regular DIY that you see. This is a professional DIY. So I always recommend that you get yourself a scale of this type because it's going to be in grams. Okay, so throw away your teaspoon for now, or you keep them somewhere. It's not necessary right now. So distilled water, chamomile hydrosol, aloe vera juice, okay, then we have our witch hazel hydrosol, alcohol free, and our humectant of choice is raw honey. Okay, so make sure I'm just going to introduce this to you. I'm going to turn off my mic, then I'm going to do the demonstration. During the demonstration video you're going to see the exact amounts that I use for each, so stay tuned and watch this video to the end. I'm also going to do the demonstration using my mannequin. Okay, this is real human hair, so when you're looking at this, don't think it's a synthetic hair. This hair is real human hair, so I'm going to demonstrate it to you using this, my favorite mannequin. So let's get started. What you need for this DIY is a spray bottle, so you're going to need a spray bottle. So let's get started quickly. I will not be talking beyond this point. Do well to click that subscribe button and the notification icon to be notified of my next great DIY video. So let's get started.